Hi all, in this video I want to share with you all a quick, healthy, nutritious recipe. We can make it for dinner or breakfast. This is nothing but oats mixed with curd. I have taken 1 cup of oats and I mix it with the curd and let it soak for half an hour. Add the yogurt or curd as per the consistency you required and nicely mix it and add the salt. You can add any type of vegetables here. I am adding the grated cucumber here, so I am just mixing it in the oats. Now we are going to make the tempering. So in this tempering, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and add the peanuts and cashews. They will be crunchy while eating. So let them roast for some time and add the tempering mixture, mustard seeds, urad dal, chana dal, and also little bit of chilies and green chilies. And once the tempering is done, add this one to the oats mixture. That's it. Our tasty, healthy oats recipe is ready. It can be made very easily and it is highly nutritious. So within 5 minutes we can prepare this one.